Blender 4.3 was recently released, and the Sculpt Mode interface has been completely revamped. At the same time, Sculpt Mode's performance has been improved, resolving delays caused by brush operations. In this video, we'll take a closer look at the new and improved Sculpt features in Blender. First, go to the top left menu and switch to Sculpt Mode. One major change compared to the previous Blender Sculpt Mode is that brushes have been integrated into the asset browser. As you can see, the brush list is now located at the bottom of the screen, and the layout of the brush tools is on the left side, making the interface cleaner and allowing quicker access to the brushes you need. Additionally, the brush assets are categorized, and by default, they are divided into 3 categories. You can edit these categories by clicking on the hamburger menu. By unchecking items, you can hide specific categories. Under the General category, you'll find 4 additional subcategories that allow for finer brush organization. The brush list can be expanded by dragging it upward and completely hidden by dragging it all the way down. You can also access the brush assets via the icon in the top left corner. Additionally, pressing Shift plus Spacebar anywhere on the screen will bring up the brush list. To restore the brush list to its original position, click the small arrow in the bottom right corner. Choose whichever method suits you best for selecting brushes. Additionally, this icon on the right allows you to adjust the size of brush thumbnails or display their names. By enabling the filter, you can display only the currently active brush. For example, if you activate the Paint tool in the toolbar, only the paint brushes will appear in the brush list. The General category contains commonly used brushes. The Paint category includes brushes related to painting. The Simulation category allows you to easily create cloth simulations using brushes. Each brush comes with a thumbnail, so you can see the effect of the brush at a glance. That wraps up our introduction to the new Blender Sculpt Mode interface. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel and hit the like button.